Bonsoir tout le monde. On danse compas.
I know you came to see me. Let's get this party started right.
Tonight we're going to find out if Chantel is too much. Or just too fabulous.
Some of you looking at me like, Chantal, why you always so much? And I say, chérie, what is too much when you are fabulous? I didn't come all this way from Port-au-Prince just to be a little bit of anything. My flavor is extra strength. My spice is habanero hot. You want bland? Go eat some boiled chicken. Me? I'm the whole damn griot, rice and beans and de pickles.